Welcome back to Sorry Ridge Farm. I'm Jacob, and today we got Jason and Melissa over here. Had to have Melissa over here because Jason never does anything.
Exactly. Someone's got to do the work.
So we're going to be getting some work done. What we're doing today is they're needing some siding on their tiny house, and we're going to be just clearing a lot of this part right here. I cut this tree down not too long ago, and we're going to clear it out, and then we're probably going to get over on the sawmill and kind of start milling up some lumber. Melissa, you ever been on a sawmill?
Nope. Sure haven't.
All right.
Today's
Time
the
for
day.
everything.
Today's the day.
First time.
Put me to work.
She'll probably do better than Jason does.
Probably.
But that's not saying much. But as you can tell, they're actually up on a uphill
Oh,
here.
we're gonna bring that up.
Yeah.
Okay.
They
I
wanna-
thought we were gonna get away with this.
See, they thought they were going to get away with it, but everybody knows. They're kind of the same height
No.
now, but not so much.
I got this.
But guys, we're just going to get to work and get this stuff done.
Yep. Somebody's got to
Let's go.
do something right here.
The ladies.
Mr. Joe. Jacob, just keep her around. It's easier. Just keep
You
her
wouldn't know
around,
what to
it's
do
easier.
without me.
Less than I'm like,
Found the right one, so it's good.
super purple and then it turns brown.
Well, feels like there's something biting me. The same feeling I had when I found out there was a tick on my head. Underneath my hat, of all things. Dang it.
We'll end up pulling them with apple in there.
All right, guys. So as you can see, we got this tree down.
It was already down.
True, it is down. It's gone now. Jason's always got to be a smart aleck. But you can see it's very clear. Probably looks night and day different. I'm very happy with getting this tree out. I cut this tree down like in the winter time, and it's just been sitting here, and it's just kind of been an eyesore, and I've been wanting to get it out of here. And so Melissa and Jason helped out with that. But I want to show you this log over yonder. This is going to be, I think, a very nice saw log.
Yeah.
It's probably about 7 foot-ish, but look at the diameter of this. You know, my hand, it's really good. It kind of splits off right here, but I think once we get in here, it'll be good. And so you'll definitely see some future videos. We're going to get this over at the mill. We probably won't mill this up today because we need to mill some stuff up for Jason, and this stuff is too big for the siding that he's wanting. But definitely a future video and cutting these into slabs, and I think it's going to look pretty nice. But right now we're going to actually go get some lunch. Got to fuel the body for later. We're going to be on the sawmill a little bit, and I think we're going to probably go to the creek
Yeah, I hope
Yes,
so.
and just kind of take a little dip and cool off. So stay tuned for that. Howdy, howdy.
You do all the work, huh?
It's nice. It's nice to have help every now and then. It really is.
They hired help.
We did feed them lunch and we'll feed them dinner, so I think that's good payment.
Let's see if we can roll it.
Come on, man.
Roll it, roll it. Don't let it fall on you. pushing the limits of the saw.
This
It'll
should take
do.
a 22, ain't it?
It'll cut it, but it's gonna be. You wouldn't be able to cut like that thick. Like you're gonna have to definitely slim off the top, flip it.
Well, guys, we're gonna kind of call it for the day. We got a good amount of slabs here. Oh,
Yeah.
don't want to trip. But we got a good probably 10 or so. And really, this all came from only 2 logs, as you could tell. They're not very big logs, so these logs that we're doing go a long way, don't you think?
Oh yeah, big time. And we didn't re-level it or anything like that. We're kind of testing limits on this, and it cut great. The fact that it stayed level and everything, pretty happy with that.
And before this, I mean, I've milled a little bit by myself, and I come out with the level and look at it, and it's usually on almost every single time. I usually don't have to mess with it at all. So I think the ground's settled, and it's pretty much at where it's going to be at. Melissa, how'd you like the mill?
I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was the
I
first
really
time
did.
on it.
Yeah, she did pretty good.
Yeah.
She definitely did better than Jason did.
Started
That's for
getting
sure.
the hang of it and just went after it. Yep, couldn't
Yeah.
stop me until we stopped.
I don't know about better.
It was definitely better.
Dang it.
But guys, we wanted to show you a little sneak peek of a future video that we're going to be doing over here. We got this. This is the biggest log that we've had on here. This is about a 19-ish inch diameter log, and we're just going to put it up on here for now because I'm going to mill this up later and we'll do a future video on it. But we kind of needed everybody to put this up on here because I didn't want to wait here and then have to try to do it with just me and Alex. We got the help here, might as well do it. So future video to come, so stay tuned for that. Y'all haven't checked out the Crockers, go check them out over there, you know, with the tiny house and everything. Those slabs that we did are probably going to be going up there pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And we're going to go now cool off in the creek.
Crick. It's crick.
Let's go to the creek.
So let's go to the creek.
Pretty cold.
Pull it in the river.
It's way colder. Yeah, way colder. Yeah. I mean, this is
I'm telling you though, once you do get in, it feels really good. It feels good, I promise. Like,
You just gotta get down like this, and then you just get it.
after you really get used to it. Puppy.
This is the breaking point for me. This is just like the Frio River. About the same temperature, blue and everything.
Get today. It like takes your breath away. Yeah, if it's not 90 plus degrees, I can't do this.
You probably draw off in about 3 seconds when you get out though.
But on the way back, you're pretty much dry.
You'll be driving before you get back home.
I'm coming, Mama. Too deep for you? I know, I'm sorry. Come on.